here at Berry Hill Place in Montgomery, Alabama. We're just down the road from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Montgomery has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as a swimming pool, a package room, a fitness center, and so much more. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Right by the front door, you'll find a convenient storage closet. Off of the spacious living room, you'll find a covered back patio. Back inside is the dining room, the fully equipped kitchen, and the washer and dryer, which are tucked away in a closet. Down the hall, there's a bathroom, which is perfect for guests, a linen closet, and the first spacious bedroom, which features a closet. At the end of the hall, you'll find the primary bedroom, which includes a large closet and an ensuite bathroom. Let's check out the clubhouse. Inside, you'll find the leasing office, a seating area, a conference room, a fitness center, and a secure package room. Outside, you'll find lots of seating, cornhole, and the swimming pool. Click the link below to book your tour.